什么米呀、他以前是扛去要请假。我说你不要扛进来的。
Here is a field of long grass.
The field is ready to be cut. You wait here and watch. I've got a cutter on the front, a baler on the back, and a tractor for all the work.
The tractor is cutting and making bales. Who knows what we do here?
Drive around it. That's right. So I want you to all the same way.
Yes. That was interesting.
And I think that's as good a point as any to stop for today.
The children have all done brilliantly. Say thank you to the police for today's lesson.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
And I hope you've learned at least one thing about beeping your horns. Don't beep the horn all the time.
That's right. Don't beep the horn all the time.
Here.
The parents have arrived to collect the children.
Peppa, have you had a nice time?
Yes, Daddy. It's been great.
Peppa loves little cars. Everyone loves little cars.
Daddy's pirate bedtime.
Peppa is going to Danny Dog's house for the day.
Hello. Hello, Nanny. Peppa, you're just in time to help.
We're doing a bedroom makeover for Danny. That sounds like fun. I'll see you later, Peppa.
Bye, Daddy. What is a bedroom makeover? It's like on TV when they make the room look completely different. I'm going to have a pirate bedroom. Aha! I've already got some pirate beds. Wow!
And today we're gonna decorate the whole bedroom.
On the walls, we are going to paint the sea.
On the ceiling, there will be stars.
When I sleep, it will be like I'm sailing on the sea.
Ah, yes, the sea. I remember those days. Free to sail my boat wherever I wanted, under a starry sky, in search of sea monsters. But those days are over. Now I'm back home, and I'll never sail the sea again.
Captain Dog misses the sea.
Right then, let's get this bedroom makeover started.
We'll cover the room with sheets. This will stop everything getting paint on it.
And to keep paint off our clothes, we'll put on overalls.
This dark blue paint is for the sky.
我在想，
Going to be a night sky.
Mummy
要不
Dog
要叫我
paints the ceiling using a
做
roller.
那种，就是那种箱子啊，那种木箱子，
Of
就是它就是做成一个木箱子，那个框架那个，然后我就可以放一块床垫在上面，我就可以睡觉的那种。那个箱子上面拿一个箱子拼起来，它就是一个床嘛，床架嘛。那个箱子里面可以放很多东
We
西，
certainly can.
然后我们那个杂物房呢就可以清空。
Oh, the ceiling's too high.
还有那定做，
Can't reach.
那个床
Let's give you
放哪
some
里啊？
help.
你下面那还要放床垫的吗？
Twinkle,
上面
那个床放哪里？
how I want.
那个床就放那个相框上面嘛，那个架子那个箱子啊。
哪一个？
And they look even better
但是
when
我
the
就要
lights
去
are
定
out.
做那个那个框嘛，那个框架，那个只是下面那个床垫就是框架来的，
is done.
就
It's
是用那
just
布啊，
like when they do the
那
make.
种啊。你不懂的，
不是，我是说你那个箱子你要放哪一个房间？
两个房间都放啊，都可以放东西啊。就是等于你不懂，就是等于你那个衣柜放下来，它就是一个框架里面那些